Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm currently in the midst of a blizzard right now and I have no power, but I really wanted to film this reading challenge this week, so I'm not gonna let that stop me. And this week's challenge is going to be letting a number generator pick how many pages I read each day. And I feel like this is a perfect time to do it because I don't know if you can hear the wind, it's pretty crazy. It's a perfect time to do it because we're in a blizzard and there's nothing else to do but read when you are in a blizzard. Like, there's no power. I'm literally connected to my hotspot to try and get this wheel up right now. There's always wet in these videos because I always end up filming right after I shower, but whatever, ignore that. Also, I came to the realization that unconsciously I was copying Yana's outro in the past couple videos. I literally have been saying like, have a great day wherever you are in the world or something like that, and then I was watching Yana and she said it and I was like, I unconsciously copied that, so we're not gonna do that anymore. I don't want to be a copycat. So I have my coffee. I'm trying to do less Alani's, so I'm trying to do like switch off every other day between a coffee and Alani. It's really hard. I want to do this quickly because I need to save my phone battery. And yeah, to go over what I'm reading, I literally have not picked this up since the last video, and I don't know if I'm ever going to. I'm just not in the mood for it anymore, so it's like a softie enough for now, so that's not really in the cards. What I'm reading right now is my first ever dark mafia romance, and it's Sinners Anonymous. I forgot to download books. Oh. I really hope this power comes back on soon so I can download books, because if we do this challenge and get a high number, then I'm finishing it today. I'm on page 41 and I'm loving it so far. It's so fun. I've never read a mafia romance, and the only dark romance I read is the Born Darkly, Born Madly duology. So I'm trying to branch off into that. Still reading the Shatter Me series. I just finished Ignite Me last night. It didn't really give, like, I gave it 4 stars, but like, it was like, we spend this whole book preparing for this intense war, and then the war itself lasts like 5 seconds. There's no hardships, no struggles, and like, yeah, go Juliet, like, she is eating. Wait, I'm kind of spoiling. Whatever. She is like doing great, but like, where's the challenge? So that's my stance on that. Anyway, that's set for the range being 50 to 150. So we are going to spin. I'm really nervous. $118. That is not bad at all. What the hell? Okay, I'll probably do more since I have nothing else to do. I can't do my schoolwork, I can't watch YouTube, I can't watch a show, I can't do anything. And all I can think about right now is that my brother's probably like, who the hell is she talking to? Hi, camera. Let's do an update. It is like 3 o'clock and I haven't spoken to you since like 9 o'clock because the blizzard is blizzarding and it's been chaos. Because try having a 19-year-old, me, a 16-year-old and a 10-year-old in a house trying to handle a blizzard. Also, the 10-year-old, the 16-year-old chronically online, can't go a second without their phones. No power since 9 a.m. It's been crazy, but I've read a little bit. If I could find my Kindle, that'd be great. Okay. I've read a little bit of Sinners Anonymous. I'm on page 122. I have to get to 159 to meet my page goal. I'm liking it, but there's some things that are really pissing me off. One, the FMC swears using ducks. Like, instead of oh fuck, she's like oh swan. And she'll be like, instead of shit, she'll be like crow. That's pissing me off. Second thing, the MMC keeps saying, I don't give a flying fuck. And for those of you Love is Blind season 10 watchers, the new season that's like releasing right now, the devil incarnate himself, I think his name is Alex or Chris, I don't remember his name. I will insert a clip of his montage of him saying, I don't give a flying fuck, I don't give a flying fuck, at like one of the get together parties. It's reminding me of that, and it's giving me the ick.
I don't give a flying fuck, you don't give a flying fuck. Like, I don't give a flying fuck. Give a flying fuck, I don't give a flying fuck. You don't give a flying fuck. I don't give a flying fuck. Give a flying fuck, I don't give a flying fuck. Give a flying fuck, I don't give a flying fuck. Like, I don't give a flying fuck. Give a flying fuck, I don't give a flying fuck. Give a flying fuck. I'm very excited. I don't give a flying fuck. 4 times already. I don't give a flying fuck.
I am liking it, but like at the same time, like, nothing's happening. Can you hear that wind? It's crazy. So like nothing's happening, like it's not keeping my attention enough, and like I have to read like all day. I have nothing else to do. I have no service, nothing, can't watch anything. I stupidly didn't download anything. Like, I'm trying to preserve my battery and stuff, so like all I have to do is read. And I don't know, I napped as well. So what I'm thinking I'm gonna do is, obviously I'm not gonna DNF this. I'm gonna keep reading it whenever I feel like it, but I think to keep my attention, I think I'm gonna start a physical book, and I think I'm finally going to start The Favorites, because I've been eyeing it for so long. So many people loved it last year, and I just really want to do it, and I think it will keep my attention. Like, everyone who's read it is like, I literally could not stop reading it. So that's kind of what I'm leaning towards. So I think I'm gonna start The Favorites now. I'm not sure if I'll verbally update you guys again today. Hopefully tomorrow this blizzard is done. It's literally up to like my chest in snow out there, and trees are falling, and it's a disaster, and it's been a stressful day. Those are my updates for now. I'll probably talk to you tomorrow. Welcome back. Crack this because we're gonna need it. So good. So it is now Tuesday, and it is about 10 a.m. Still no power. Yesterday was a shit show. The blizzard was really hitting, and I haven't had power for like 24 hours. The snow is like literally up to my front door. Like, I'd show you guys pictures, but I don't want to dox myself, so maybe I'll insert some, I don't know. Reading update. I read over 118 pages yesterday because all I had to do was read. I haven't been able to scroll or watch anything. It's been really tough on the brain, but that's fine. Sinners Anonymous update. I'm on page 147, so I'm 47% through. I'm just like confused, like nothing is happening. Nothing is happening. Like, I couldn't tell you one thing that's going on in this book that's memorable. Like, ignore my dog. It's just like boring. Like, I'm bored. Reading a mafia book, it'd be like intense, and nothing's happening. I'm still gonna push through because I've heard good things about the series as a whole, so I'm gonna push through. But I don't know if I'm gonna read it today. Probably like when I don't have daylight. Favorites. I started yesterday. I'm on page 69. I'm liking it so far. I love an interview style book. I love that the chapters are short. It's really keeping my attention. This I'll probably read majority today because I was reading last night with like a lamp and it wasn't ideal, so I want to use the daylight time to read this. I should get power back today, but I really don't know. Sorry, I'm trying to talk quiet because I don't want anyone to hear me. Nobody needs to hear me talking to my camera. Yet so far, nothing's really happened yet. Anyways, again, have to make this short because I want to save my battery, and I'm currently having to connect via, what the fuck's that called? Hotspot. Okay, let's spin it. I'm so scared. I'm nervous. $72. Okay. Pretty easy. Okay, 72 pages is the amount we have to read today. So I'm probably gonna start by just reading this because I really want to get like into it today. No distractions, nothing. So that's my plan. We'll update you probably eventually, I don't know when. Okay, let's chat. It is Tuesday and it's 4 o'clock. I definitely read over 72 pages today. Favorites, I'm on page 166, so I read almost 100 pages of this. And I'm liking it a lot so far. Definitely drama, definitely fun. And I'm interested to see where it goes. I'm really enjoying it. And it's like kept me entertained. I have read a little bit of Sinners Anonymous because I didn't feel like holding my book anymore. Still, like, I'm 53% through and it's just like, it's giving me nothing. Where's the fun? Like, where even is the romance? Where's the yearning? Where's the, I don't know, it's just something's missing. I'll probably continue to read that right now while I lay down. I still have no power. So I've just been laying in bed all day. And like, my house smells like gas from the generator because we had it run for a little bit. And like, it's making me so sick. Like, I've been nauseous all day long. And I've had the worst headache. Like, I've been on the verge of throwing up. And I also like haven't been able to cook anything. So like, I haven't really eaten properly in 2 days and I'm like starving, which is probably affecting my stomach as well. And yeah, we're just in the trenches over here. We're finally like getting our driveway plowed, which is good, but I hate the snow. I really do. Those are my reading updates. I completed the goal for today and hopefully tomorrow we'll have power. I'll be feeling excuse me. I'll be feeling better and I will get to be back in a routine. Maybe we'll even get a higher, more challenging number. I don't know. But yeah, I'm just feeling very like meh. And I don't know, I don't feel good physically or mentally. I like have spent so much time just like staring at the wall. So I'm gonna read. Let's chat. It is Wednesday. Day 3, no power. It is 45 degrees in my house. I'm literally like so cold. Like, I can't feel my fingers. I didn't really read it all after I updated you yesterday. I didn't read any of the favorites. And then I decided to DNF Sinners Anonymous at 57%. I'm not gonna DNF this. I'm gonna keep reading it whenever I feel like it, but I think because I was reading it and I was like, I don't give a fuck. I don't care about anything that's happening. I don't care about the characters. I don't feel like reading this. And I decided I'm not gonna force myself. So I DNF'd it. But what's the downside of that is I don't really have any other books downloaded on my Kindle. And I still don't have Wi-Fi. I'm probably not gonna get I'm probably not gonna get power till Friday. So this video's been like a bust because I've had no power and it's just been a miserable week. I'm like so not in the mood for anything. I haven't been like working out because I'm not eating properly because there's nothing to make food, and I've just been so out of routine and it's throwing me off. But that's fine. I might be staying somewhere else tonight that has power, so there will probably be a lack of video footage. I feel like I'm still gonna upload this video even though it's kind of trash. Like, it's just realistic. This is what life is. It's also snowing again right now, so that's great. I have Winter Wonderland Alani today. I know I said I was gonna do every other day coffee Alani, and I had Alani yesterday, but the coffee's warm. The iced coffee cold brew is warm, and we also have no ice. So, and I can't do iced coffee with no ice, so Alani it is. I put this outside for a little bit, and it's also just cold from being in my house. So let's crack it. It's low-key warm, but let's spin our wheel. Okay, that's a big number. Okay, it's already 11 o'clock because I slept in because I was like, I have nothing else to do. Okay, so I'd have to get to page 379 of this, which I think is doable. I'm gonna try it. My phone is gonna die soon and I have no way of charging it, so I'm gonna go now, probably read, and I'm not sure what the next clip's gonna be because things are all over the place right now. But I'm committed to the challenge. Despite all the hardships of this week, I'm committed to this reading challenge. It's so dark because still have no power. We have the generator going, so it's nice and warm in here, but my room's one of the only rooms that doesn't get power from that. So it's hit the point of the night where the past few days I've just been like sitting in my dark room, staring and crying. Normal. Reading update, I am on page Blind Girl Tries to See in Dark. 300. Oh, I'm on page 300 of the favorites. I haven't met the reading goal today, but I will. I'm going to. I'm loving this book so far. It is giving all the drama that I need. It is so fast paced. I've like literally been reading it all day long, and like it's really hooked me. It keeps my attention. If you haven't heard of this book, it follows Katerina and Heath, and they have been childhood best friends and lovers as well for like their whole lives, and they're also really talented figure skaters, so they are figure skating partners, and it follows like the hardships and the drama in the figure skating world. And as someone who knows nothing about figure skating and like low-key could not care less, I'm enjoying it. I'm loving like the characters and the drama and all the tea, and it's very fun. So it's giving what it needed to give. I'm actually about to watch the Brittany Broski and Harry Styles Royal Court. That's like crazy. That is so crazy, those two worlds colliding. Like, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna be watching that. The only books I have downloaded on my Kindle is the Shatter Me series. So probably before bed I'll start, I think the next book I have to read is Restore Me. So I'll probably start that and try and meet the page goal. I have like 79 pages left to read for today, so I think it's definitely doable. But yeah, I wanted to give an update. I'm sorry this video has been like kind of trash. It's just I'm doing what I can with my circumstances. It's rumored that the power is gonna come back at 8 p.m. tonight. It's like 6 o'clock right now, but they also said it was gonna come back at 10 p.m. last night, and it didn't. So I'm not getting my hopes up. We also tried to find a hotel to stay in. They're all booked up. I just had like my first meal in days. We were able to like find a pizza place, but other than that, gas stations, fast food, everything's closed. So it's been rough, but I'm doing okay. The house is finally warm. I've literally been laying in my bed with like 6 blankets on, like not being able to move my fingers because I've been so cold. But we're warming up the house. And yeah, that's my update. I will talk to you tomorrow. Hopefully I have power. I really hope so, because I want more for this video. And I'm just like so not mentally doing well. Like I'm in like pure survival mode. Hello, I have a lot of updates. It is now Thursday and I have power back. I got it back at like 7:30 last night and it feels so great. I was able to get up at 7 today and clean the whole house. I'm doing a ton of laundry and I was able to work out, shower, all the things. I'm gonna catch up on some schoolwork today since I haven't done any because I have no Wi-Fi. We did just lose power like 20 minutes ago. I was literally in the shower and everything went black and I was like, I can't do this again. But it came back and I think we're good. Reading updates. I did not complete yesterday's reading. I ended up getting, I think I told you guys, I got to 300 of the favorites. I didn't pick it up again because it was dark. I decided last night to start the next book in the Shadow Me series, which is Restore Me. And I read like 20 pages of that, so I don't know what the math is, but I had like less than like, I think I had like 50 pages left to read, and I didn't because I fell asleep. So I did fail yesterday, but that's okay. Today I really want to get back into things. It's 10:30 a.m. right now. I'm gonna have us pick our number, and then I have some shit to get done, things to catch up on since it's been kind of out of whack the past few days. Hopefully this vlog will be a little bit better now that I'm back into a routine and I have power again. I think I'm only going to be doing this challenge for today and tomorrow, and then I'm going to end it. But I've been brainstorming a lot of YouTube ideas. I feel like when you are ending the month and starting a new one, like there's so many ideas. Like there's going to be a wrap up coming. I do want to try and do like a TBR jar video. And then I also think this new thing that I want to do is like sharing the media I consumed each month, because it's something that I track in my bullet journal and I would love to like share that with you guys, like shows and movies in YouTube, books, music, all the things that like I've consumed in a month. Yeah, so I have a lot of ideas that I can't wait to film. So let's get to the number generating. 50 to 350. Let's see. I'm hoping we get something reasonable today since I do have so much to do. Okay. 305. Okay. Yeah, I can do that. Of course it's the day, like during the power outage I was getting like in the 70s, in the 100s on the days where I had absolutely nothing that I could be doing, and now the day that I need to get my shit together I get 305. I'm gonna do my best. I'm going to try my absolute best. So I'll definitely be finishing this book today, like 150 pages left. Definitely be doing that, and then I'll probably just continue with Restore Me, or if I feel like picking up something physical, I'll do that as well. So we'll see how that goes. regrets on this video. Today's Friday and I want to post this video today, and I don't feel like reading. I think I'm hitting a slump. So this video was a flop. What else is new? But I got 1 5-star. The favorites, 5-star read. That's all I've been thinking about. And I loved that book, and you need to read it. I had 1 DNF. Okay, and that was it. This entire reading challenge. I failed the reading yesterday and the day before. But that's okay. Despite how this video is chaos and also a failure, I hope you enjoyed watching. And I'll try to get better at reading challenges and vlogging. I'm very new to this, as you know. So, yep, thank you for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all those things, and I will see you in the next one.